To integrate sine square dx, we say from cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared x. That's an identity in trigonometry. So we make sine square the subject, sine square x the subject. So sine square x is equal to, then we have 1 minus cos 2x out of 2. So we make sine square the subject. Therefore, the integral of sine square x dx is the same as a half integral. So the half is pulled out, 1 minus cos 2x dx. Therefore, we can go ahead and integrate each item. 1 out of 2 into the integral of 1, the integral 1 dx minus the integral of cos 2x dx. Now, when we integrate each individual item, we shall have a half outside into, when you integrate 1, you have x, minus, when you integrate cos 2x, you have a half sine of 2x, and then plus a c. Therefore, we can multiply the half inside to have x out of 2 minus 1 out of 4 sine 2x plus c. So that is the integral of sine square x. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if it has helped you. Thank you.